In this example, we will see the concept about static member functions. First, have a theory look. Member functions may also be declared as static. A member function that is declared static has the properties. First, a static member function can have access to only other static members, functions and variables declared in the same class. A static member function can be called using the class name instead of its object. Third, they may not be virtual. Fourth, there cannot be static and non-static version of the same function. Fifth, a static member function does not have this pointer. Now see how static member functions are implemented. Include the header file iostream.h and konya.h. We are just creating a class of our own data type by name test. Fine. Inside private section, we are just having a collection of data items, that is variables. Using a static keyword here, static integer count means static member variable fine. We have just declared a set code function inside public section. A code variable is initialized with the incremented count variable, that is prefix increment operator we are using here. Now next function we have to create here is void show code here. Object number we will display, which is there available inside a code variable. Move to new line with the help of AND operator. Now we are declaring a function with the keyword static void show count and display the variable value the count variable value. Fine. Here we complete the procedure of class. Now calling a variable outside a class, we have to use a scope resolution operator. So first specify the class name, then a scope resolution operator and a variable name. Fine. Now we will create the object using our own data type, that is class name test. We are declaring two objects here, t1 and t2. Through t1 we are just accessing the function set code. Same way with t2. Now with the help of class we are just calling a show count function from a public section, accessing a static function. Fine. Once again with the help of data type we are declaring a third object here, test t3. Now t3 set code Inside this test, once again a show count function. Now to display the value, above we have created a show code function, so just display it by t1 all the objects we are using here to display the actual value which is there available inside t1 object, t2 object and t3 object. Here we complete the main function program. Fine. Just have a look on output of this program. Press Ctrl F9. See here the first values inside count variable is 2 and 3 and the total objects are 1, 2 and 3 object value. So if display is a static member function of a class, so a member that is declared static has the following properties. A static member function can have access to only other static members, functions or variables declared in the same class. A static member function can be called using the class name instead of its objects, which we have seen right now in this program. Thanks a lot for watching.